Spin it though. Spin it quick.
Right, spin it. Right, spin it.
Alright guys, we got a very special sculpture here today. Talk to me.
This is a custom one-of-one sculpture by Adam Donovan here. This is inspired by Versace. So it has the actual Versace key pattern. Laser cut. So this is all laser cut acrylic. We got the high gloss, white and black.
Wow.
So it's supposed to be the spiral where you spin it, see the illusion. Now this was originally a light, but we can't plug it in right now. We don't have a power source. But as you can see through these holes, the LEDs are inside. So once it's illuminated, all the light shoots out these holes, and all over the wall you see the key pattern as it moves. So it's a really nice poetic experience, and you can see here it's all engraved, that Greek Versace key pattern. Take a quick zoom in on that there, buddy.
Even on the white there. Very cool.
Yeah.
So this is kind of like infinity style.
Infinity.
Very good. Very good.
So good.
Alright, well that's a crazy piece there.
Thank you.
Crazy piece. Great job.
And you can just take a quick zoom in of this wall here. This was designed after the sculpture, and you can see like the Versace key pattern and all this motif.
Oh, it's hidden there a little, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same thing as on the side of the lamp.
Wow.
If you call it.
Alright, so we're about to sign out here. Any last words for the people?
That's it. Thank you so much.
Alright guys, that's it. That's the sculpture, Versace. Very good. Comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.